Hello everybody, I hope you're all well, and this video is about the replacement of the original Aprilia Tuono turn signals. Those here, the original ones, they are very bulky and they are also quite wide. A lot of people get them replaced to have the bike with a more customized and a neater look. The reason why I want to replace them is because I plan to install the Hepco & Becker C-Bolt system for side bags in this bike, and these very wide indicators interfere with the mounting of the side bags. This is a very simple modification. Let's take a look how we'll do it. These are the indicators I got. They are from a company called Kinstecks, based in China. I paid $15 for 4 indicators. They are LED and they are flowing type. That's exactly what I wanted. I know I couldn't get myself to pay from $50 to even $120 for each Rizoma indicator. I think this is a way too high price. I'm not willing to pay that. These, they look well built. It's not perfect. As you guys can see here, there is some burr on the plastic. I'll need to file this out, but I think it's fine. Kinstecks sells 4 types of indicators on Amazon. They all work the same way. They're all sequential LED, but the shape is very different. I like the A shape. This one here, also it appears to be the shortest one, and that's what I needed, so to avoid the interference with the Hepco & Becker C-Bolt mount. There is also types B, C, and D. I like the detail that there are 2 indicators with the logo on the right side up and 2 indicators with the logo on the left side up, so they'll look nice when installed from the back. They'll know the logo is not going to be upside down. That's a little detail. Now, as I said before, the length of the indicator is something important to me because they need to be short. This one is about 86 millimeters long or 3 inches and 5/8. I think this will work well. Yeah, these cables are about 250 millimeters or 10-inch long, so I will definitely cut them short. They come with a bullet type connector. I will need to replace that or replace the connectors on the bike. That's not the type I have in my Tuono. Let's take a look at that and see what we can do and get these things connected now. Now, as you guys can see here, I have a Nivotech tail tidy installed in my bike, but the process is pretty much the same. Whether you have the original Aprilia tail or a Nivotech, RNG, Graves, Motobox, or any other type of tail tidy, it's all the same. Let's now remove the original blinker. That's a very easy step. We just need to use a needle type Phillips driver and remove the lens. And once you do that, you gently pull the cable. You can see the terminals here, black and red. You just need to remove them using your fingers. It's very easy. There we go. Now we're going to remove the body of the indicator. It's very easy. You just need a 4mm Allen and a 10mm X to hold the nut on the back side. Don't try to pull the body of the indicator, it's not going to come out. What you need to do in the Aprilia and also with other motorcycles is to turn the body of the indicator 180 degrees, and there is a notch on the back. Now it's loose, it just comes out. You can see the notch here. Now let's pull the cable through the body of the indicator. There you go, it's all loose. Now there is a lot of extra cable here, about 10 centimeters, which I don't need. I'm gonna cut this short because with the new indicators, the male terminal stays all the way here on the back. So I'm gonna cut this all off. Now, of course, the same thing with the right side. I'm gonna remove the right side indicator as well. I shortened the cable with the Kinstecks indicators because they come with this 25 centimeters, about 10-inch long cables, and I shortened them to about 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch long. And I just used here a typical crimpable terminal. And here, as you can see, I shortened the cables on the bike side as well. I cut about 8 centimeters on each side. Now let's install the Kinstecks indicators. This one here with the logo in this position is the one on the left side of the bike. So I'm going to use a heat shrink tube for extra protection. I would like to have a black one, but I don't have a black one on this diameter, so we are going to use the blue, and that's no problem. Now let's connect the cables, red with red and black with black. We're just going to connect them lightly and check if everything is working. And it works. Okay, now we inserted the heat shrink tube, and now let's shrink it. With the cables hidden, I'm now adjusting the indicator so they are both parallel to the ground. Well, time has come, so let's do a first test. All right. Yeah, I'm pretty happy. They work quite well. They are very bright. They are really bright. I'm very happy. Let's see this in the dark. And this is the final product. These are the Kinstecks indicators. This is the type A. Again, they have 4 types, A, B, C, and D. This is the type A, and they look really nice. They work very well, as the video that I showed before, comparing the before and after. They are very small, and one interesting thing is that they blend very well. They are very harmonious with the overall angular lines of the rear of the Tuono. I really like how they came out together with the bike, and they look very nice for blinkers that cost me only $4 a piece. Of course, not everything is perfect. There is a little bit of burr here at the edge that will file out, and it would have been nicer if this nut here would be supplied in black color, but hey, that's a very good product for what you pay. So that's it, guys. This was a video about the installation of the Kinstecks rear indicators in an Aprilia Tuono. Hope this was useful. If you have any question, let me know. Take care and ride safe. Bye.